Over 10,000 babies are born each day in the United States, with many beginning their journey right here at Providence Little Company of Mary Medical Center, Torrance. We are committed to the health and wellness of you and your baby, and view every birth experience as uniquely special. Because each pregnancy is different, we offer you a variety of delivery options. For couples like Lauren and Arik, whose baby was positioned in a way that would necessitate a surgical delivery, their physician presented them with the family-centered gentle cesarean option, or gentle C, as it's commonly called.
This process should be natural. It should be enjoyable. They should be looking forward to the delivery, not scared of the delivery. And so I started searching for different ways that we can make that happen, make it more of an enjoyable experience. With the help of Providence Little Company of Mary in Torrance, we came up with this grand plan of putting together a perfect cesarean section that's very family-oriented and family-based.
The Gentle C encourages parents to be active participants in the birthing process, similar to the traditional vaginal birth. The procedure mimics some of the essential elements of natural childbirth, like letting you watch the baby emerge and being able to hold your baby right away. We use a clear surgical drape, which allows you to see your baby's first facial expression, witness your baby's first breath, and appreciate being more active participants in the delivery process. The Gentle C also supports immediate skin-to-skin contact and the ability to begin breastfeeding in the operating room.
I also didn't realize that with a C-section you could get so many of the things you can get with a vaginal birth, like the skin-to-skin contact, having him right there, and it's sort of being a more peaceful, low-key environment.
And the benefit of it being as natural as possible with the skin to skin is exciting.
I don't feel like I'm missing out.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like this is a good fit for us.
An additional feature is the ability to play music during the procedure. These elements add up to create a customized experience for mom, dad, and baby.
Being able to have a playlist and having the skin to skin and having him sit there while she's being delivered and being able to see her being delivered so you can see her first reactions to the world, which I always thought you missed out on with a C-section. I think made us feel a lot better about the whole experience, and not just better, but excited about it.
The Gentle C is not just about creating a comfortable birth experience for the parents. It also involves a specialized, careful approach to the surgical process. During this procedure, the physician uses techniques that minimize damage to the surrounding muscles and nerves, and utilizes a special device that drastically reduces the amount of organ repositioning needed inside the abdomen. These characteristics significantly reduce the amount of post-op pain experienced by the mother. Additionally, the recovery process from a Gentle C is generally much easier than a typical cesarean section. A non-narcotic pain pump may be used to decrease the need for any narcotic pain medication following surgery. In fact, the mother is able to eat immediately following surgery and is generally able to walk as soon as the effects of the epidural wear off. Typically, mom and baby are able to go home within 2 days, if desired, as compared to 4 days for a normal surgical delivery, allowing for a smoother and more comfortable transition home. In addition to our surgical delivery team, we have specialized physicians on hand to ensure the health and safety of you and your baby. An obstetric hospitalist or laborist is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to provide care for hospitalized laboring patients whose doctor may not be present, as well as manage any obstetric emergencies that may arise. In an obstetrical emergency, every minute counts, so the presence of these highly trained physicians means that treatment can begin without delay.
Our only role is to take care of laboring mothers. It's to make sure that the transition between labor and delivery is the safest that it can be for both the mother and baby. To make sure that the expectation of a healthy mother and a healthy baby is realized.
A dedicated obstetric anesthesiologist is also available 24/7 to manage pain during the labor process, as well as provide emergency anesthesia should the need arise.
As an anesthesiologist, I think the most important component of what we do on the labor and delivery floor is to ensure comfort for the patient, to make sure that we minimize the risk to the patient and to the mother while they're our guests in the hospital.
With the only private room neonatal intensive care unit, or NICU, in the South Bay, Providence Little Company of Mary Torrance has a neonatologist available at all hours, every day. These highly specialized physicians provide support during every surgical delivery and may be called to assist with a baby in distress.
We just made sure that the baby was received in warm blankets while on the abdomen of the mom, and we had provision to kind of suck out any secretions that were pooling inside the pharynx or the oral cavity. As for the American Academy of Pediatric Guidelines and Standard of Care that is practiced all over the United States, we are called in to assist with the delivery in case the baby has a problem at birth.
Draining nerves, the nerves just kind of fall out of the way. So you have to cut through.
It was a little bit intimidating at first with all the bright lights and people running around, but once he came in and the doctor came in, felt a lot more at ease. And
I was able to sit right at her head, have a special connection with her the whole time, and it was just nice to see her in a calm state and be able to comfort her when she needed it.
For expectant mothers who need a C-section due to medical reasons, discuss the Gentle C option with your physician. At Providence Little Company of Mary Torrance, we make your delivery experience personal, so you can enjoy the special moments of welcoming your child.